Alright, so we're done eating. That was a good eat. Now we're gonna go and visit that, Patron gas station we saw, which looked like it was a neat place to hang out in. Maybe catch a few smokes. Kuya XS, pa-full tank.
Wala pa kaming card, sir. Okay lang po ba?
Okay lang.
Sino tayo, sir?
Oh. Nice. Kita mo ba?
Sige na, sir.
Ha? Op, tama na. Meron pa ba? Ah, tama na, tama na. Halos puno na pala eh.
230.
Ah. Yeah.
Sir, may piso ka lang, sir?
Teka. Meron to. Ay, 5 piso pala. Piso. Yes, it's a full tank of gas. I love the smell of gasoline in the morning. I love the smell of gasoline in the morning. Thank you. All right. So, in a little state of craziness, Albert and I agreed to swap bikes until we get to SM Masinag. So he's making his content right now. Uh, Too lazy to whip out my phone to do the same. But this is his bike. It's a CB 150R, I think. Uh, yeah, naked bike. Very naked bike. Cause he even took out some of the other fairings in the front. Very, very naked. So we agreed to swap bikes until we get to somewhere in SM Masinag, and this is a good thing because actually this bike was uh, rather one of my choices for when I was deciding to get a motorcycle. This bike was one of those. I actually spotted one for sale with very low mileage on it, 3,000 kilometers. I think it was being sold for uh, about the same amount as what my bike was, you know. But then I went with as you know, my sport bike. So, so today, rather tonight, we're gonna go and find out just how much of a difference this bike, or how much of a kids. We're just gonna see how much of a difference in terms of ride it will feel, because as you can see, the seats are right now it looks very ergonomic to me compared to my seat there. The seating position on an R15 or any R series bike is definitely not what you would say ergonomic in any sense of the word. This one though looks like it is. Just kind of have to get used to looking through the bar end mirrors. All right. So this is his bike. He conveniently left the key on it. Strangely, this handlebar is very narrow-ish compared to what's on my bike. So, I'm gonna start it up. We're gonna see just how much of a difference this will make. His bike is much more fresh than mine. 5,000 kilometers on it. Mine is about 12, going 13. And dude, this thing rocks. It has a very throaty exhaust sound. This scoot as well, Mark's scooter. Cause they removed cause they removed. I'm just getting acquainted with the controls here. They removed I think some kind of air filter cover. So I'm kind of thinking of do the same. Oh yeah, may kill switch yan eh. So yeah, dude, this thing rocks, and the seat is kind of high, actually. But one thing I would notice right off the bat, uh, very, very nice ergonomics. Like I could probably sit in this thing forever. Doesn't look so bad. Doesn't look half bad at all. Actually looks nice. And he's got a fully digital odometer. God, good lord, that sound though. Man, this thing rocks. This thing rocks. He's got these little adjustable brake levers. Man, uh, so and the bar and side mirrors don't look half bad. I mean, yeah, they work. I can see behind. Yeah, it looks good. Just don't like the fact that it might get in the way of my hands, like here. But then damn, this thing looks nice. Looks great. Alright, let's go. Man, this thing feels like a fucking Rolls Royce compared to my bike, because I am not dying on the seating position. And okay, all right, so it pulls. It actually pulls pretty well. I mean, whoa, this thing pulls pretty well, and it's pretty light on its feet. Okay, so the lack of I'm gonna put my visors down. The lack of fairings in the front means that, you know, there's a lot of wind resistance on my body. So I'm gonna have to stop and no, just kind of slow down and maybe wait for. But dude, I am seated almost fully upright. I mean, man, this thing. Ooh, yeah. This feels good. Like, dude, this feels good. This feels good. Okay, so not that sharp of a handling in terms of cornering, because on my bike I could corner pretty effortlessly. Almost overshot that corner there. It's kind of hard to fight against the wind resistance. And my leather jacket is acting up like a wingsuit, and it's actually, I think, slowing me down. I'm gonna, you know, try to hunch up a bit here and hopefully mitigate some of the effects. I honestly think this thing is faster than my bike. Whoa. I honestly think this thing is, you know, pulls better than my bike. But then, oh god, okay, I kind of have to like struggle with this a bit to get it to corner. Oh, I can feel the wind trying to like push me off or something. Alright, I think I'm gaining more confidence in trying to bank this sucker. But I honestly think it pulls better than my bike. Man, this thing is twitchy. How does he get to control this? Yeah, fuck you. Man, this thing is light. Like, it's really light on its feet. And I don't know if you can hear, but the exhaust sound on this and the induction noise, crazy stuff. They just removed the air filter covers or something. And it sounds like this. Oh my god, this is running on stock exhaust too. Oh yeah. I think I'm just gonna do the same thing on my bike. Whoa, I just might drive this thing right up to his house. And it feels very forgiving, you know. Once I got used to leaning over the side, I think it's much more forgiving than my bike ever would be. Nice. This is very nice. This is actually good stuff. Woo! Man, this thing rocks. This thing rocks. Like it seriously does. Kind of having second thoughts now that maybe I should have gone for that bike that I saw on sale before. Man, this thing rocks. I love it. I love it. I fucking love it. Feel the air pressure difference now. My ear, not a good feeling. Man, this thing rocks. Like, this thing rocks, seriously. My bike feels heavy as fuck compared to this. And supposedly there should be much of a weight difference between them. Although it is the case that the Yamaha, the R15 rather, is much heavier by a few kilograms than this. But the engine is very responsive, very responsive. Maybe do 100. Alright, no, I'm not gonna do 100 here because man, this thing rocks. Feels just right between my legs. Body positioning ain't that bad. And I actually don't feel any pain in my wrist, back, or shoulders. That is the beauty of it, ladies and gentlemen. That is the beauty of it. Oh my god, this is a game changer. It's like fucking amazing. God, this is great. God, this is great. And it purrs like a kitten. It purrs. God, this is good stuff, you know. Aw, man. Now we're moving at the speed of slow. Hey. Man. Oh shit. What the? Ah, there we go. Hey, man. Ah, we're done already. Ah, damn, Jesus Christ. Jesus, please, Christ. We're done already. Oh no. Man, this thing pulls. This thing pulls. Man, I love it. This is perfect, almost perfect as a as an everyday, you know, commuter bike with some kick to it. Man, this thing rocks. I think we're supposed to stop at a different gas station here, not this one. Man, this thing rocks. My bike is just actually behind me, you know, burnt on my bike rather. Man, this thing is sweet. Like, it's light. Dude, come on, it's sweet. I can't sway my bike like this. Aw, man, there's the Shell station. Aw, fun time's over. Fun time's over. Alright. Man, but this bike rocks. Ha? Hindi kita? This... Dude, ang gaan ng bike mo. Ang gaan, sobra. Ang gaan. It kind of took some getting used to yung sa seating position and then trying to make it turn. Pero nung, ano mo na parang, dude, ang gaan. And it purrs like a kitten. No, I mean, very smooth yung power delivery niya eh. Ha? No top end. Wala siyang low end, man. Puro dulo. So if you want some fun out of it, talagang pipigayin mo siya. But alright, I'm back on my bike. On my heavy ass bike. Oh no. Now I'm back on my heavy ass bike. And the familiar feels on my ass and the familiar pain in my wrist. So I think I'm gonna be Alright, so I still alright, okay. So after getting back on my bike, okay, I think my bike is, you know, very stable at speed. Alright. But Albert's bike was surprisingly very light. Very light, like seriously very light. Very light.